Hohei University CSC Scholarship 2025-26 in China, fully funded. Details. University, Hohei University. Degree level, Masters, PhD. Scholarship coverage, fully funded. Eligible nationality, all nationalities. Award country, China. Last date, 10th April 2025. Financial benefits. Hohei University CSC Scholarship is a fully funded scholarship for all international students. The support will cover the following: complete tuition fee, free accommodation, comprehensive medical insurance, monthly stipend, master's degree 3,000 renminbi per month, PhD degree 3,500 renminbi per month. Documents required. To apply for Hohei University CSC Scholarship in China will require following documents: application form for Chinese government scholarship, filled in Chinese or English. Copy of physical examination form for foreigners, filled in Chinese or English. Note: applicants should strictly follow the items required in the foreigner physical examination form. The foreigner physical examination form that is missing has no photo of himself or is not stamped with a rider seal and is not signed or stamped by a physician or hospital is invalid. The inspection result is valid for 6 months. Please bring the original when registering. Notarized degree certificate for degrees above undergraduate level. Non-Chinese English texts require notarized Chinese-English translations. Fresh graduates must submit a pre-graduation certificate. Notarized transcript, same translation requirements as above. Recommendation letters, 2 letters from professors or associate professors in Chinese or English. Study research plan, written in Chinese or English, at least 800 words. Research results, abstracts, published papers, award certificates, etc. Language test certificate. Chinese taught programs, HSK level 4 or above, valid for 2 years. English taught programs, IELTS 5.5 plus, TOEFL 80 plus, or equivalent, except for native English speakers. Passport copy, valid passport. Applicants in mainland China must also include a valid visa or residence permit page. Eligibility criteria. Non-Chinese citizens with good physical and mental health. Degree and age requirements. Those who are studying for a master's degree must have a bachelor's degree and be under 35 years of age. Those who are studying for a doctoral degree must have a master's degree and be under the age of 40. Excellent grades and outstanding scientific research ability. Non-recipients of other scholarships. Requires a Chinese proficiency test, HSK, level 4 or above, valid for 2 years. Application deadline. The last date to apply for Hohei University Chinese Government Scholarship 2025-26 for international students is 10th April 2025. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more useful information.